Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, May 19th. Let's find out what is on our calendar. When we actually saw Tad last, he had actually reached the number 63. Let's see where he's going now. Whoa! It says jump, Tad, jump. There he goes again. You might catch him. Just add 10. Whoa! Just add 10. So wait a minute, he was on 63 last, and if we add 10, 63 plus 10, that means we go down 1, 63 plus 10 is the number 73. So 73, here we come. 73, here we are. So we're coloring in the number 73, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73. 73 is our number for the day. Why don't we now add another day in, whoa. We've made it to the 160th day of school. Can you believe that? 160 days that we have been together. 160. Incredible. Incredible. So we have another group of 5 here. 160 days in school. 160. That's incredible. 160 days. So as we change our information to 160, so we'll change this, 160. This is how you write the number word 60. We'll change this to 100 plus 60. Change it down here to show 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10. Makes 160. Now, watch what I'm going to do. I know some of you are going to say, wait a minute. One way to make 100 cents is with 4 quarters. Can I show you another way? And I think you're going to be surprised. 10 dimes. 10 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dimes also equals 100 cents. It really does. And I'll just make that a little bit smaller so it fits. 10 dimes also makes $1 or 100 cents. And watch this. We already had dimes that we were using earlier. But now watch what we're going to do. We're going to add another dime to it. So believe it or not, to make 160 cents, let me show you this, friends. I know some of you may say, what, Mrs. Graham? We have 16 dimes. That's how many dimes we have all together. 16 dimes is equal to 160 cents. Incredible. But it's true. It is true. The last thing that I would like you to do today, All-Stars, and it is going to be a little bit familiar. I do need you to pull out your math book that looks just like this with the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. You should have it because you just used it to help fill in where Tad was jumping. You are going to do just what you did a couple of days ago, where you are going to color in certain math facts with certain answers. Let me pull it up and show you. Here's that information. Let me remind you of what you're going to do with this, and you can leave this up as you work on it. When you complete this, it is asking you To complete the math facts that you see in this color, yellow. So all of these are going to be yellow. All of these are going to be black. All of these below are going to be blue. All of these are going to be orange. And all of these answers that you complete in here are going to be brown. If you need to keep this up as you work on your number corner today to remind you of what color you should color in those answers, leave this right here to do it. And I'll give you an example. This first one here says 19 minus 10. So if we have 19 and we take away 10, you should color that answer in yellow because that's where that answer is. If we have 19 and we take away 10, that means we go up 1. This is that box, so it means we're going to color this box in yellow. So the color that you color the box in is determined by the area that you see around it. All of these are yellow, all of these are black, all of these are blue, all of these are orange, and all of these are brown. If you have any questions, please just hit your help button and I will be glad to assist you. I know you can do it, All Stars. I believe in you. Off you go.